Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to reverse the mesh better in CapCut PC. For instance, I'm going to add the image and I'm going to add the overlay for the on top. Going to remove the background, go to cutout and select auto cutout. I'm going to resize and adjust body position. Alright, so here I'm going to add the mesh. Go to mesh and select circle or the mesh type that you like. For instance, going to select the circle mesh. Alright, size, and you can reverse the mesh. How to just click on the reverse button right here, and you can see for the result like this. That's it. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe. If you have any question, please type in the comment section down below. Thank you so much for watching.